In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp loading problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly. And then long press on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Scroll down. Click on storage and cache option. Now click on clear cache. Now press on back button. Now click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Go back to home screen. Go to Play Store. Tap on Search app. Search for WhatsApp. Search WhatsApp. And then update your WhatsApp in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. After this step, now go to WhatsApp and say problem solved successfully.